Good morning and welcome back. We're back on the entryway wall. So when I left you the other day, all the wires were in the box. Oh, that was nice, just a hammer. Anyway, with your wires all connected in the box, okay, if you're not an electrician and you want to do it the easy way, mark your wires. Like I use yellow tape, for example. Put yellow tape on that one, and I put yellow tape on this one, and I've got yellow tape on this one. Now, the next one is you've got a light switch incorporated into 3 other receptacles. So receptacles can be hooked just black and white, black and white, black and white, you're away. But when you incorporate a switch into it, you need a live and a neutral on the other side of the switch. So, you look at that piece of tape, okay? I've got black marker on that piece of tape. So I've also got one other one that has this one here. That's got black marker on it as well. That one and this one here. Because there's only going to be one other wire plus your hot that's going to be connected together to incorporate your switch for turning your lights on and off. The other wires are just receptacles, so they can be wired black, white, and neutral ground. Anyway, getting back to the box when it's hooked up. If you don't have a meter, okay, if you don't have a meter, you can use a light. And what I mean is, you take and put wires. How hard is it? You take your wires, put them on the end of your plug-in. You got your white and your black right there. And what you do is you touch your 2 wires on those wires coming down. If the light's on, it's on. Right? Then you get your partner, whoever, to go down to your fuse box, throw switches until the light goes out. That's if you don't have a meter. Now, from there on up, we're going to go on up in the attic. I'm going to start hauling wires, and I'm going to meet you up there, and we're going to continue on with this electrical and entryway renovation. Well, I'm up here in the attic. It was pretty hard trying to hold the light, screwdrivers, and do this all and capture it for you. But anyway, there's your 3 wires on the bottom, your 2 wires on the top. So that's the 5 wires that was down there, brought up through the attic. She's a long old haul from that end down to this end. But anyway, the tools, the glasses, and the drill, and the light in my hand. Time to get myself back down. So, thank you for watching from Paint, Mechanical, and Home Renovations. Cheerio!